4-story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear with popular features. Features also include bucket seats, cloth seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Come test drive the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable. All traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. And is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, convertible soft top, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, fog lamps. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.